Hey, it's Sean with iwashyouDry.com, and today we're gonna be making my cool and creamy corn salad. It is a perfect side dish for anything grilled that you're gonna be making this summer. So let's get going. What I love most about this super easy side dish is how bright and colorful it is. You can also easily make it ahead of time, which makes it perfect for potlucks and barbecues. You may have noticed my nifty food scraper. I love this kitchen tool for picking up all those tiny diced veggies. I'll go ahead and add a link to it in the description for you. Make sure to use caution when handling those jalapeños, as the seeds can be very hot. Make sure to use gloves if your skin is very sensitive. I'm using 2 pounds of frozen corn that I've defrosted under cool running water. Add in 1 cup of diced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup diced purple onion, and 1 diced jalapeno. Then go ahead and give it a good stir. To make the creamy dressing, we're going to combine 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt or sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. It's cool and creamy with the perfect crunch from those peppers and onions. Finally, chop up 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and fold it into the corn salad. Oh my goodness, this creamy corn salad is perfect for all of your summer barbecues. The corn, the peppers, and the jalapeno bring out all of the smoky flavors of a barbecue. It's definitely a dish that you're gonna wanna add to your summer rotation. Let's give it a try. It is so fantastic, guys. The creamy dressing really takes it over the top. And don't forget to check out this recipe on iwashyouDry.com and come back again and see more great recipe videos just like this one. See you later, guys.